I mean, sometimes I find it hard to hit all the boxes with the fire hydrant in it. Like sometimes you're not quite sure if the lug nut is over in the next panel, right? Or is that a C or an A or a G? Like it fools me, right? No, I hate CAPTCHA.
Yeah, I think the seamlessness of I mean, I'd have to just this is not my doing. This is all the engineers that actually have to do all the hard work to plug it in. But watching clients like Jeff be able to go from simply responding and reacting to advertisers and having those hard conversations to be able to say, like, what do you want to do with this traffic when we identify it as fraud? Like giving a client the tools to be able to manage that is pretty fulfilling in the sense of like Jeff can now just say, if it's fraud, like don't even let it pass through. Like we want to block it at the source and allow for that traffic to be clean on the other side of the fence. So the fact that it is just so easy to turn on and be able to manage. Jeff obviously works with a lot of emailers, so he just has direct relationships, but an affiliate could just be another network that's working with a lot of other affiliates. And so it's not necessarily the network's fault that there's fraud traffic coming through. It could be one individual affiliate on the other side, the sub-publisher or the sub-affiliate. And so being able to have that granular control to be able to identify it at the source's source and then be able to turn it off without actually jeopardizing your relationships across the board, I think is pretty powerful. And that's just a testimony to like how the actual integration has gone so smoothly between the two companies. But yeah, seamless is definitely key here. It needs to be easy to use.
That's our number one concern when we bring on new clients. If they're not using a solution like a Cake and they have to do the integration themselves, we've tried to design it as simple as dropping a tag or simple code. But depending on the size of the client, it's the smaller clients, okay, they don't have all the tech resources they need in-house. The bigger ones have a giant roadmap, and you got to find out what sprint you can get into. Where with Cake, literally, I think the documentation is, check this box, select these options, hit go, and you're done.
Rich, I think we set it up on the sales call.
Yeah, it's that simple.